morning, children. From this module, we are going to deal with the chapter Excretory System. The excretory system is a passive biological system that removes excess unnecessary materials from the body fluids of an organism so as to help maintain internal chemical homeostasis and prevent damage to the body. Three pathways exist in this context: the alimentary canal, the respiratory system, and the kidneys. Now first, we deal with the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is a pathway used almost exclusively for the elimination of solid waste of an indigestible nature, and the act of elimination by this means is termed egestion. Materials disposed of in this manner have not entered the tissues of the animal, but rather are the residues of enzymatic and absorptive activities occurring in the digestive tract made by the metabolic. Wastes are excreted by means of the flow of bile from the liver into the intestine. The destruction of cells in animals produces bile pigments, residues of hemoglobin, and other pigments, which may be considered to be the principal metabolic waste eliminated via the alimentary canal. Waste disposal in this manner requires little energy expenditure other than that employed in the peristaltic contractions of muscles in the walls of the tract that act to push material along the length of the tube. Now next, we deal with the respiratory system. Let's see. The respiratory pathway is concerned principally with the gaseous waste products of metabolism, carbon dioxide and ammonia, which move to the external environment by diffusing from the cells of origin. In vertebrate and invertebrate members of the animal kingdom, transport is by means of the circulatory system when present, or simply by diffusion along the cell. Membranes of lower animals. A few multicellular aquatic animals lose carbon dioxide to the surrounding water by diffusion through the thin vascular membranes of their general body surface. In most higher animals, however, the skin is too hard or thick and non-vascular to function effectively in gas disposal. In these animals, gills and lungs aggregation of thin, moist vascular membranes are present. Now third, we deal with the kidneys. Kidneys have evolved in multicellular animals as a highly sophisticated channel for waste disposal, and they function to regulate the levels of water, salts, and organic materials in the bodies of higher animals. Materials eliminated via the kidney include nitrogenous waste products, that is, ammonia, uric acid, urea, creatinine. Excess quantities of salts and water that may be taken into the body and various other organic materials produced by life-sustaining chemical reactions. Functionally, the kidney is a microfilter that initially removes dissolved as well as some suspended materials from the circulatory system along with large quantities of water. These substances are differentially reabsorbed into the blood by various kidney structures during urine formation to a degree that varies considerably throughout the animal kingdom. For example, animals that absorb large quantities of water into their bodies excrete copious quantities of water in their urine.